machine you give to your younger brother. All right, ladies and gentlemen, come on stage for you can't even respect. I have a daughter like you. What's that? Come and disrespect me in public. When money down, they go nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this young Indian whites. Oh, wow, your talent plenty. Una know this begin be. Una know this begin be. Introduce yourself.
My name is Zara.
Zara who?
Upa.
Una hear the surname? Zara who?
Upa.
Now, guy who bar picking, they dance, they hustle like this. The talent plenty. Show some love. Put your hands together for Zara. Huh?
No pressure with this.
Wait till that.
No pressure.
What?
Only your papa get money. This small talent will tell you also now you want to collect.
What did happen? this begin. No, DJ. No, wait.
First.
Okay, I go wait.
Let people get money. This is t-shirt. Your food will drop here.
Your father laugh. You decrease your head. Idiotic element. Your father. You when they go and shower hotel. You can't tell people saying that they go and shower hotel. No, it's not. It's not. Wait. Make people know because now when they don't know who she be, it go good make she perform again. DJ, which song do they like that time? What song?
Papa, they look you.
What song do you like, Zara?
If Papa, they look you. They never pay us balance.
Your father laugh. Papa will say, nothing will happen to my balance. I stretch forth my hand. Daddy, your own picking, I talk with him out. I just got to beg you.
It's not he that said that, it's he that give it. I beg you.
God else, you get plan for my balance. How your balance still affect my balance?
My brother, don't make me
see, DJ, Zara says she likes to dance to P Square. Which one of the P Square latest? You know about it?
Before they divide, I mean before they unite.
No, when they come back together, when they pick brain, when they know say market one for president, when only them use their short mind. Are you ready? Play, Zara. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I'm with you. Let's go! To prove my love, you must drop my money, cause my bank balance na program, and I'm taking all the banks. My mansion on a bada, baby, take it to the land. My bank balance na program, and I'm taking all the banks. My mansion on a bada, baby, take it to the land. Let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's up to you, what are the praise? Do you want to enter Ifesinashi? If you want to enter Ifesinashi, I have the exact transport. It's 3-5. You can hold 3-5. Oh. Oh, what did you say to Uncle? Ah, may God bless you for 3-5. We won't see your papa finish now. 3-5, God bless him. The papa go the first. Oh my goodness. I need to talk about this man that we are here for. Yes, it's the youth thing. As a foundation that he has started. I'm one of the MCs for tonight. But I need to say this. Those of you, I was in my hotel room and I was seeing our Nollywood stars on screen. And I know they are here present. If you know you love Nollywood, make some noise and put your hands together for them. Have you done your research? Do you know that a good number of Nollywood people comes from the East? If you are proud of them, then you will make a louder noise. From Patience Isoko, Mr. Ibo, name all of them. They're here. Make a louder noise. All of them when they watch Nigeria on video, when I'm gonna say the things don't improve. Thanks to my garden, their Uncle Bob, their anti-Patience Isoko, they're here. Thanks to them, they don't change the thing. When I say on video in those days, from the soundtrack. Una go know what you happen. From the soundtrack, una must know what you want happen. You know, guy una plan a reach, una must know. For example, if the title of the film, or you want to film, maybe the title na Heartbreaker, or you when they want to do the advert or the trailer, you just say, ladies and gentlemen, this is the movie to watch, Heartbreaker. Every other thing when you want to know about the movie, you go see inside the film. But on video, that year, Heartbreaker, you go know inside the film. For example, if Shama Shukuka break person heart, now inside the film you go know through the soundtrack. You go hear something like this. Play, DJ play. Hey! Shama! Shama, 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 who you be? Shama, 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 who you be? Boss, this one not they pay me. Now don't want they pay me pass. When I don't watch home video, accident scene. Only G Mike. Only one day, one lonely road. G Mike won't get accident. If I watch a Yubo film, when I don't see what you go for the get accident, or you could just run enter full building, everything could just explode. You cannot see your own video, accident scene. Don't you can't shoot for any no good here. They want lonely road, no human being in the road. Only G Mike not in the road. Now accident you won't get to. You see something like this. G Mike, don't enter. When I know the way they talk. Play. Shall I break my heart? What am I supposed to do? I'm just gonna go for a ride. Shall I break my heart, man? Now accident you won't get to. Shall I break my heart? I'm just gonna move poof. Grab your copy. Uncle Bobo, forgive me on that comedy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take it back to back. Coming on stage. Yes, back to back. This guy is tight. He's my friend, he's my brother, and I made a decision. Omalicha. Video, carry that camera, go there again. Omalicha, cha, cha, cha. Sha. Nnewi is blessed. Cha, cha, cha. I'll send my number to you later.
This is the home for queens of Nigeria.
They see the queens will come.
The Yanka is from here.
Yes, sir.
Le Kubayano.